So as a follow-up from our bass drum microphone recording shootout that we did with 11 different microphones, we decided to do another one, but this one focused specifically on the bass guitar, and I'm specifically talking about miking up a cabinet to record bass. While this may not be ideal for a lot of people, you most likely are recording a DI sound or something, I find if you do have the option to record through a cabinet and get a certain type of sound, this one helps in performance usually when recording because you're focused on getting the sound that you're after, and it can kind of help sculpt the way you play to a track. Two, it gives you a different tonal option than the DI. Maybe you get a more gritty sound, or maybe you don't and you get something more clean. Whatever the case may be, it just gives you another tonal option. So the bass cabinet that we used for this was an Ampeg PF50T. Now this is a throwback to the Ampeg B15 end, and while not the same amplifier, the PF50T can get within the ballpark sound of that type of amplifier. This is just the Ampeg 115 cabinet, and for this, to get a little more scientific, I decided to run pink noise through the send going to the amplifier, because we were reamping a DI signal. So I ran pink noise through the amplifier, put each microphone up in the same exact position, set my levels to make sure that they were hitting roughly the same, as close as I could get it. And then I actually used the FabFilter Pro Q4 to capture the response of pink noise going through that bass amp and that speaker and into that specific microphone. So you will see that thrown up on the screen, so you can kind of get an idea of, one, the sound of the pink noise going through the amplifier, but two, how much the microphone can potentially change the sound of that amplifier. But it was very interesting to see, one, what the amplifier was accentuating in the sound, but two, what the microphone was or was not capturing to give you a specific sound. Enjoy. ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite on the bass amplifier and why. Again, with any type of shootout, this is one sound going through one type of amplifier with one type of playing. Your mileage may vary depending on the genre or style of music you're doing, the equipment that you have, and the person playing the bass guitar, of course, because tone is in the hands more so than anything else. But this is a great way to check out a few different microphones and hopefully make a decision on what your favorite and what microphone you might want to use the next time you go to record a bass amplifier. Make sure to leave us a like if you enjoyed the video, and go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more videos like this, shooting out different equipment to give you a better understanding of what instruments, what gear, microphones, preamps, etc. would work well in your studio for your recording purposes. Enjoy!